Welcome to the EdbMails EDB to Exchange Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails EDB to Exchange Migrator lets you easily recover and migrate mailboxes from offline or corrupted EDB files directly to a live Exchange server. You can recover data even from damaged or dismounted EDB files affected by dirty shutdowns or jet errors without needing Exchange services or log files. You can preview mailbox items, select specific data, and use filters to customize the migration. With support for all Exchange versions and a simple interface, EdbMails makes the entire recovery and migration process secure and hassle-free. Let's see the step-by-step procedure to recover offline EDB and migrate EDB to live Exchange server.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select EDB Recovery and Migration. Select EDB to Live Exchange. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Browse for EDB file. Select the EDB file. Click Open Next. Click Next to continue. Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Select the mailboxes, folders that you wish to migrate. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the target Exchange server details. Click Login.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes.
Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Logs button to view the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free EDB to Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.